quick. But if we did ambulance, they would probably like, obviously get in straight away. Probably go to Royal Adelaide.
Nah, I'm all good. It's just my arm. I doubt it's broken.
How's his helmet looking? Dude, he's obliterated. Oh. Look at that. Hold out. He's literally, they're destroyed. He's slammed. And his bike's like all scratched up. Worth it, Jay?
No, I'm go home.
Jeez, man. Did you give him CPR?
I just checked his pulse, you know.
I literally have no idea.
Yeah.
This kid's actually kind of good.
It's good stuff. Call
What
it.
do you need? Police, fire, or ambulance? All three. Someone's broken their arm.
You ready, big fella?
I'm ready.
You ready for the ambo? Nah, she's pretty hot.
She's hot?
Yeah, pretty hot.
Sure, it's like kind of hurting like from there down.
Wow.
From upper?
Yeah,
The things you know.
At least she's hot.
Might be some muscle damage or something.
Alright, you must have landed on your face, did you?
Yeah, I can't remember.
Can't remember.
Run us through the situation.
So pretty much he's gone down the track.
Yeah.
He's come in. He's hit a jump. He's gone to turn the corner. And he's come off the bike. And
Yeah.
sort of high-fived the ground in his face.
Gave the ground a little love kiss.
Yeah.
So why do you think you came off? What I'm trying to determine is, did something happen to you before that made you fall off?
Nah.
You know,
It's just
like,
because
did you get dizzy or anything
nah.
like that?
I just came up and hit it wrong, and yeah, just can't remember, just fumbled around.
Oh, here's the stretcher, big fella.
We'll do some.
Jay, get on the stretcher. Go for a sleep.
Oh, I'm alright. Gotcha, lads.
Have a good night. What happened?
Tore my ACL.
Lovely. I was gonna film some nice videos with you, but
Sorry, man.
that ain't happening anymore. Guys, I literally almost died, but to see it, you're gonna have to come back for part 2.
Part 2, and then part 3, and part 4.
Yeah. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you
Milk it till part 17. Nice.
press that subscribe button because you want to see me nearly die.
You will want to see this. You will want to see this. Hell. Oh, hell. Oh, yeah, baby. You're my favorite. Oh. Wait, Jackson, should we start the edit? Yes.
Alright, so we're about to see how much Ash's outfit's worth, and that's going to be up on TikTok. So if any of you are following the TikTok, you know what to do. Wait, Jay, so what are you claiming?
See that roof up there?
Yeah, the real sketchy car.
Old Bessie here. I'm gonna get on top of it.
Alright,
And I'm gonna kick flip on it.
we're waiting. Do you reckon he's got it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is going to be so sketch. Oh, wait, what?
Is that some toe drag?
You actually got that?
Oh,
What?
yeah.
How?
A triple. Oh.
Dude.
Oh. Disaster. Do a boneless. Woo!
As you know, we like to keep it short, sharp, and shiny. So Ash is going to end the video for us.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more epic adventures.
Yes, smash everything in
all the
all the
likes.
stuff.
Everything.
All the stuff you can do, do it. And Dad, end the video for us.
Huh?
End the video.
Yeah, so he, look, he's probably going to be in hospital He'll be down and out. I don't know what's gonna happen to him.
Okay, I'm gonna quickly jump in before this video ends. I thought the video was gonna end there, but on Sunday, which was yesterday afternoon, my cousin fell off his scooter at the skate park. He went from the 6-foot bowl, smashed his head on the concrete and got completely knocked out. Now, I didn't know about this, but someone called me because they had my number. One of his friends was there and they knew to call me. It was lucky they knew to call me because I raced up. Someone had already called the ambulance and I had to stay with him until the ambulance came. And yeah, so that was the second ambulance in one weekend, which is pretty hectic for one weekend. But anyway, that was the quick little story from yesterday. So pretty crazy stuff. Shout out to all the paramedics out there as well. Like, I was in the ambulance with them and they do a really good job, I must say. Anyway, hope you all have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever it is. We'll catch you in the next video because I love doing these. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. We'll end it with the lens cap going on. Catches.
Teenage suicide.